Okay, in this video, I am going to cover what you need to have in order to have a great LinkedIn post. So you need a good image, you need hooks, you need content, and you need call to action. Every post, regardless where you do it, you really need to have these elements, right? But for LinkedIn, it's very specific when it comes to hooks. That's what I've noticed. Now, I'm going to show you in a second what I mean by hooks and what type of hooks do very well. I'm going to give you more if you're part of the WhatsApp group because, we are going to come up with more resources and I'm putting in a whole document for you. But this right here is like a top strategy method and 10 free guides, images for you, right? A number method or tips that help me get the desired outcome. How I did this to get the desired outcome. How I achieved desired outcome using the method. Number of months or years of commitment will achieve desired outcome. The relatable enemy is negativity, right? So the hero is something associated with positive statement. How to do the technique that gets the results. I grew from X to X amount of followers in X amount of years or months. I spent X amount on dollars and got X amount in return. Most of the advice on XYZ is useless. Here's the number of ways you can quickly optimize your XYZ. Here's how I actually do some work without the BS. So these are just some of the ideas that you can use for the hooks, but they're really important because the hook can be used in the image as well. So write these out, so use them as you create any type of post. Doesn't matter if it's on LinkedIn or somewhere else. Definitely can get you a lot of shares and a lot of comments. Okay, let's move on to the next video.